Hey everyone, so I hope you're doing well. So I guess this is the first video I'm doing after like a month. I am gone, and for those who ever wishing me well, I truly appreciate that. And this is the video that I actually wanted to do, like a very short video. I want to talk about the fame and how you can see fame in your chart. And most of the time, people come and asking me, is it Saturn rule nakshatras or Saturn placements define the fame? It's actually not. It's actually Sun is the one who is the only planet can give you fame, because he's the one who's the most brightest and also give the light in someone's chart. And also in your chart you will see wherever he sits in that house will be the most something that you will be doing and get fame. For example, if people who have a sun in the sixth house represents routine. Their routine will become famous. Their routine will become something very unusual or something very unique that people will be like, oh, this is how your routine is, like, wow. Or if it is bad place or like a not really well placed, it the people will be like, oh my god, this is your routine, that's not nice. So that's how sun will represents fame in your chart. And you can see even in YouTube's people doing the vlog, and how's my routine, and this is my routine, and how's my day. This all represents sun actually, that they are getting fame just to show their daily routines, whatever they are doing. So this is one of the example that I can give. If sun is in the 10th house, obviously they are going to be famed for their job, profession, and related to their work, or they are famous in their workplace, in with their working people, and with their teams, with their colleagues. All of these people will be like literally knows them, who they are, even though they may not hold any kind of a title in their office, but people will be like recognizing them very, like, very surely they know who's that person. So that kind of fame that we are talking about here. So if you want to know your fame, then you should look at your sun. Saturn represents legacies more than fame. Saturn represents history, while Sun represents fame. If you are related with the Venus, which means you are into art field, then of course you have to look for the Venus or Jupiter. Or you are, I mean, there is a one of the teacher who is very famous just for his look. I probably he have Jupiter and Sun. So we never know. So that's how you have to combine the planets, sun, Venus, and Jupiter. It shouldn't, it's not supposed to be like in conjunction, but it can be sun, like how many places is Venus and how many places sun. So you have to look that one. That's how we determine the fame in one's chart. So I hope this one helps, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because that helps me a lot. And also I am going to answer all of the questions that have been given by my people, whoever you are here. And it's very interesting, some of the questions, retrograde planets, and what is the mahadashas. And someone asked me, are you still going to keep good doing the Ketu series? Yes, I will. Just I'm taking a bit of time, like recovering literally my whole life. So please give me some time, and I will be definitely back doing the series and everything. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.